In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a project in Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're reorganizing your workspace or simply transferring a project to a different team, I'll guide you through the steps to make this process smooth and straightforward. First things first, you need to go to Wrike.com. If you haven't logged in already, head over to the top right corner and click on the login button, enter your email and password, and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the space that contains the project you want to move. Spaces in Wrike are a fantastic feature for organizing various teams, departments, or whatever segments your work needs. Make sure you're in the correct space where your project currently resides. Once you've located the right space, look for your project in the sidebar. With Wrike's user-friendly interface, everything is conveniently located. Click on the project and it'll open up, displaying all the associated tasks and information. Now here's the hands-on part. Drag your project so that it hovers over the name of the location where you'd like to move it. This could be another space or even a folder within the current space. When you see that your project is over the desired location, release the mouse. Easy, right? Now your project is either a project or a sub-project in the folder or space you've moved it to. But let's say you want to move a project to an entirely different space or perhaps into another project within a different space. That's no problem with this method. Begin by navigating back to the original space that contains the project you still wish to move. This time click on the project info icon to open the project item view. Here's where a little detail comes in handy. Under the project title, you'll find a plus icon next to the project's tags. Click that plus icon. A menu will pop up allowing you to search for or select the new location where you want your project to reside. Once you've chosen the new location, there's one final step to tidy things up. Look for the little X next to the old location tag and click it to remove the previous location, keeping your project solely in the newly tagged location. And there you have it, you've successfully moved your project within Wrike. By following these easy steps, you can efficiently manage where your projects are stored, helping to maintain an organized and streamlined workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Wrike.